Alright, so we need to create a diagram that shows Earth's orbit around the Sun. And on it, we need to include an Earth during each season in the Northern Hemisphere. So why don't we just start with summer?
Okay, well, here is Earth's orbit. And we know that Earth is closest to the Sun during summer because that's just when it's hottest. So here's the Sun, and here's Earth in the summer in the Northern Hemisphere. And we know that during winter, it'll be on the opposite side because it's the furthest and also the coldest.
Yeah, and so now we just need to include fall and spring, and the Earth is orbiting the Sun in a clockwise motion.
Okay, so just some arrows to represent that. And why don't I just say that this is the fall and this is the spring?
Yep, looks good. And so now we just need to draw a axis of rotation with a dotted line and then an equator with a solid line.
Okay, well, the axis of rotation and the equator should be the same throughout the entire orbit. So I'm just going to draw them all the same like this.
Yeah, that looks good. We should get an instructor to come check this.
Okay.
Okay guys, let's talk about the location of the Sun. Look at the table of distances on the activity. In millions of kilometers, how far is the Earth from the Sun during the summer for the Northern Hemisphere?
It's 152.
Can you write that number between the Sun and the Earth you labeled summer?
Yeah.
Using the table, can you do the same for the rest of the seasons?
Yeah. So during winter, it's 147.2.
Okay.
During spring, it's 149. And lastly, fall is 150.2.
150.2. Oh, wait, so the Earth is not closest to the Sun during summer?
Exactly. So does the distance between the Earth and Sun change a lot or a little throughout the year, or is it approximately the same all year long?
I mean, it's a little different, but for the most part, it's the same distance throughout the year.
So that just means we have to redraw it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means the Sun would be in the center. Wait, but Earth is not closest to the Sun during the summer. Why is it still the hottest?
Well, do you experience more or less daylight hours during the summer than the winter?
You experience more, and I remember that because the Earth is tilted towards the Sun.
Oh, and that also means that the Sun is higher in the sky during summer, which makes it hotter as well.
Exactly. Good job.